general structure of your HTML. This is the general structure of your HTML. You have to strictly follow this structure. Okay, so it contains your head and body section. Two sections are there. You have to write it in the same order itself. So the tags what we are going to learn about will be classified into two types. They are called as your container tags and empty tags. So container tags are those which have your opening as well as your closing. So opening will be written as a simple tag itself. For closing, the difference is it will be preceded by a forward slash symbol. It will be preceded by a forward slash symbol. And then you have empty tags. So empty tags means where you have only the opening symbol, where you have only the opening symbol. So along with the tags, you have a set of properties also added to it. Okay. So some important or additional information has to be given to it. So such type of important information or additional properties is known as your attributes, So for each and every attribute, there is a standard set of values also. You have to give those values either in single quotes or in double quotes. In different versions, it accepts in different ways. Okay. So each tag can have more than one attribute. And the order of placement is also very important. So now we have started the general structure of our HTML program. So where do we type the coding? So it is generally typed in any one of the text editors. You can work on either with Windows OS or in Ubuntu OS also. No harm in it. Okay. The working principle, everything is going to be the same. There is no change in that. Okay. But only thing is you need an editor to type your coding. Okay, so for Windows, we'll be using Notepad. So since my system is with Windows OS, I'll be showing it to you in Notepad. If you have Ubuntu version, okay, fine, well and good. You can start typing it in Genie editor. No problem, wherever you type. Is it clear? Then after typing your coding, you have to save it. So while saving it, you will be saving it with the extension .htm or HTML. The first three letters are very important. So after saving it, you know the path where it is saved. Path where it is saved means the location where it is saved. After going there, if it is in Windows version, you have to look for the path. That is the location. And double click on it, automatically that file will be executed. If it is in Windows OS, if it is in Ubuntu, if you in the Genie editor, if you just click onto the execute button, that is more than enough. Automatically it will be executed. That is, the browser will be automatically opened for you. So till this we have this, the next part also we have seen. Just a simple program I have shown you yesterday. So HTML is the starting tag, as well as close HTML will be your ending tag. Along with this HTML itself, you have two important attributes and the associated values added along with it. Okay. The attributes are dir, which is meant as direction. That is direction of the text. The values could be RTL or LTR. Default is LTR. Default is LTR. Why it is LTR? Normally in our English language or any other language you take, okay, normally we write it from left to right. So this attribute becomes optional for many of the languages. If you don't give also, it automatically understands that it is LTR. But whereas when you come to this language attribute, this has got certain importance, as so also it is also associated with your dir. Okay. That is, for example, if you take the Arabic language, for example, here you have Arabic, AR means Arabic, okay. If you take that Arabic language or any Urdu language, you have seen that their writing is from right to left. Their writing is from right to left. So dir attribute is very important. Dir attribute is very important. So this attribute, if you want, you can add for many other languages, or otherwise simply if it is for our English language and all, these two attributes and values you can leave off. It is optional. You can leave off. It is optional. But for compulsorily, if your languages are different, language attribute has to be included. And if it is Urdu or Arabic language or any other language which supports the direction, which uses the direction RTL, compulsorily this dir attribute has to be written. Is it clear? So till this we have seen yesterday. Now we'll move on to the next one. This also we have seen. Head, that is to create the information about the scripts and styles used. Next, title, the place where you can give a title for your program. So till this we have seen yesterday. Now moving on to body. Now moving on to the body tag. See, listen very carefully, okay? Listen very carefully. So moving on to body tag. Specifies the document body. Specifies the document body. Specifies the document body means what are the contents to be placed? What are the contents to be placed? Contains the content to be displayed. So that will be embedded inside your body tag. And all other tags that defines the document are placed. So based on the content you are placing, based on the content you are placing, okay? അതിന് കുറേ formats ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. Okay, what all formats you would like to apply? There are so many different things that could be added. ഒരു table create ചെയ്യാം, രണ്ട് section ആക്കി divide ചെയ്യാം. Like this, so many options. Then bullets, then numbering. അതായത് MS Word you have bullets and numbering and all that. Like that, you can do so many other options. You can change the font, you can change the style. All these can be done. All these can be done means, so for all these separate tags are there. For performing each and every work, separate tags are there. All these should be embedded or enclosed within your body section. Nammal cheyan pona what all works we are doing with the contents, okay? Adenne ellathum supportive aayittu you have the tags. You have the tags. So everything should be embedded within your body tag. That is open body to close body tag in the ullile. You have to embed all the contents. Is it clear? Now you have some other important attributes also. Added along with this body tag. Okay. Up a background. See, listen, from here onwards, your spellings plays a vital role. Okay. Spellings in a വളരെ importance in the top. Or a spelling mistake, if you commit, your answer will not be visible on the screen. നിങ്ങൾ expect ചെയ്യുന്ന answer will not be visible on the screen. Is it clear? So background and spaces also counts a lot. Space കൊടുക്കേണ്ട സ്ഥലത്ത് കൊടുക്കണം. Space വേണ്ട എന്നുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് you should not give an extra space. Is it clear? So all these plays a vital role in it. Is it clear? So adine what you have to do is you have to give the spellings very correctly. So background means usually your web page background is white in color. Your web page background is white in color. So instead, if you want to place an image file, what you can do is you can include that over there. You can include that over there. Okay. How to do all those? I'll show you now. Okay. Next is BG color. BGCOLOR is the spelling. Please be careful. COLOR is the spelling. And BG color, it is together. BG color, it is together. Be careful with all these. These are the simple mistakes that people commit. Okay. BG color is a single word and the spelling for color is C-O-L-O-R. Very careful you should be. Okay. So BG color means, so instead of that white color, or if you don't feel like having an image, you can give a color of your choice. You can give a color of your choice. Is it clear? So for that only you have your BG color. Next is text. Normally you have, I told you that you will be having a white background. White background aayathukondu your text that is placed will be black in color, will be always black in color. But you can go on to change the color of the text also. But you can go on to change the color of the text also. At least once write all these in your notebooks. Have your notebook side along with you. At least once please write. So example, you see how I have typed. Please see how I have typed. Angular bracket, body, space. Okay. Then background is a single word. How I have typed, please note it very carefully. Background is a single word. Okay. Is equal to water lily. Water lily. Sorry, I made a mistake here. It is BG color. Okay. It is BG color. I made a mistake. Please, sorry. BG color. I can give it as cyan. Okay. Whatever color you feel like giving, you can give. Text. Any color I want to give, I can give. Or otherwise, if you don't know the color names exactly, what you can do is, you can give it as hexadecimal code. You can give it as hexadecimal code. Sorry, here it is BG color. Like this, it has to be given. Okay, BG COLOR. BG color, it has to be given. So instead of giving it as a color, I can also give it as a hexadecimal code. Hash represents 10. 00FF00. Like this also I can give it in any combinations. Not only 00FF, I can also give 0A, F, C, D, 0B. Is there 6 or 7? 6. Only 6 has to be given, okay? So like this, any combination of the hexadecimal code can also be given. So the color corresponding to the code will be displayed for you. The color corresponding to the code will be displayed for you. So this is how you will be writing your background, including your body tag. This is how you will be including your body tag. Is it clear? Then the next is a link, A link, V link. Okay. Just understand what all these are. Either this link, A link means, for example, when you are visiting a website, you have given a search command. Okay. Or keyword koduthu you are searching. Okay. So immediately the various sites related to your search will be displayed. Yes or no? The various sites related to your search will be displayed. So link, so initially when it is getting displayed, appo adinu oru particular color undavum. Normally it is blue in color. Okay. Earlier days, now the colors are being slightly changed. A link എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു സംഭവം ഉണ്ട്. But ഇത് ഇപ്പൊ അധികം കാണാറില്ല. Now you don't see this much. Okay. A link ഇപ്പൊ അധികം കാണാറില്ല. Which means the site which you are working on, which site you have chosen, and that particular site which you are working on is known as your active link. Okay. If a list of sites is displayed for you, adil onnu click cheyidu poi, adil you are working, you are searching for some details. So that particular link at that time will be known as your active hyperlink. At that particular time, that link will be known as your active hyperlink. Okay. So by default, the color given is green, but say if nowadays this A link they are not preferring. You cannot see that. Ippa vecha adhiga adu kaanarilla. Okay. Then the next is V link. V link means visited link. After you visit and you come out of that site, you can see now also you can see the color of the link changes into purple. The color of the link changes into purple. This you also see even now. Visited B link means visited link. That is a link click chedu. You have gone inside that link. You are searching for the link, and then after that you are coming out of that site. You are coming out of that site. When you come out of that site, the color will be purple in color. The color of that link will be purple in color. Is it clear? Then you have top margin and left margin. Look at the spellings and the spacings how I have given. Left margin together is a single word. Left margin together is a single word, and top margin together is a single word. Left margin together is a single word, and top margin together is a single word. Okay. അപ്പോൾ left margin, അതായത് നമ്മളിപ്പോ നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ left side how many space how much of space we have to leave, that we decide, right? So the same way onto the left side of your browser screen, how much of space you want to leave, you can decide. So that is known as your left margin. Top margin nu paranathu on top of the browser screen, on top of the browser screen, leaving off the contents. അതായത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടൈറ്റിൽ ബാർ ഉണ്ടാവും, മെനു ബാർ ഉണ്ടാവും, അഡ്രസ് ബാർ ഉണ്ടാവും. ഇതിനെല്ലാം താഴെ below this, how much of space you wanted to leave, how much of space you wanted to leave, that space you have to give. So the value for this is given in pixels. The value for this is given in pixels. So the value for this is given in terms of pixels. So 80 pixels and 70 pixels I have given. Is it clear? So based on this, we'll just see a program also. Okay. So the next